So this is a typical cell in Mountjoy. This is the C1 landing here. You can see average size cell. We have heating pipes here on the wall. We also have noticeboard here. Prisoners can stick up pictures of their family, different things. Moving along here, we have a sink and all in-cell sanitation now in Mountjoy. Thankfully, you can see the windows here providing ventilation and light. Prisoners' bed secured to the floor and some furniture. So this is a typical cell. Any prisoner could be housed in here. The cell is in good condition. The person who's in here at the moment is a class cleaner, so their duty, their responsibility is to keep the landing clean. And you can see some of the cleaning products here, and extra cleaning products. Just going round to this side of the cell, you can see the television. All cells now, all prisoners have televisions in cell. You can also see the cell call system here. So if a prisoner needs assistance from an officer when the door is locked, you press the red button there. You can see it illuminate there, and if we go outside the cell, you'll see it illuminate on the outside also.